say hi.
What's up?
Huh? She's just sneaking to see if their train is coming. She's looking. Look, oh, she saw us. She looks like an animal, doesn't she, guys? I think it is. Can you like hear it?
Literally, it sounds like it's right around that
What?
corner.
Watch it comes from that end.
I'm getting so anxious. I'm about to
Watch it comes. Watch it comes from the other side.
I'm so confused.
Come back this way. They're gonna pass by. You look hilarious in the video that I'm taking. What? It's definitely the other side.
But it sounds like it's from here.
No, it's coming from that side.
That's what I'm saying.
The birds know it's coming. Oh, it's close.
I feel like it's not, though. This is like the perfect spot.
Is it the other side?
Is there a train on the other end?
And it's a two-way thing.
No, I mean, like, it's not, it's definitely not coming from that side.
Oh my god, it's all the way over there.
God.
Like, all the way over there.
That's the freight train that went for hours.
No, but that's what the sound was.
I'm aware of that.
All right,
Wish we had a camera.
let's go. Let's go.
That's cool.
Yeah. Can you go first?
Okay, cool. I'll die first. It's totally fine.
Looking at.
I'm here.
I'm coming.
So slow.
Is that water?
Yeah.
You kind of need my phone, don't you?
Do I? Yeah, I do. It's taking forever to Girl! That's ice.
Yes, that's not a rock.
Not a rock. It's a little possum.
I wish we had our ice skates. Ice skates. Ice skates.